Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best under desk treadmills and treadmill desks in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 11. Bifunua 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. If you'd like to try a treadmill desk but don't want to sacrifice a lot of space or money, this compact, budget-friendly folding treadmill is a great option. The foldable, portable design is ideal for tight spaces, while the quiet motor, shock-absorbing structure, and anti-skid noise reduction belt minimizes disturbances to office mates or neighbors. Although it doesn't have a ton of fancy features, the treadmill does offer a built-in Bluetooth speaker and phone holder. With a speed range between 0.5 to 6.5 miles per hour, it's suitable for both walking and running, making it a more versatile option than some other models. What's more, it arrives fully assembled, so you can start using it right away. Number 10. Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Treadpad. It is the best of under desk treadmills. During testing, we were impressed with how quiet the Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Treadpad was to walk on during working hours. At $499, this is also one of the least expensive underdesk treadmills on this list as well. The treadpad arrived fully assembled, so was ready to go in minutes, and has a top speed of 4 miles per hour, which is a walking pace of about a 15-minute mile. This should be fast enough for most people, but like all walking treadmills, it won't be fast enough for most to jog on. The digital display console shows speed, time, distance, calories burned, and steps taken. It's straightforward to read, and easy to simply look down and see where you're at. It also has a safety cord that you can easily kick to stop the treadmill if you have any issues. The Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Treadpad is operated using a remote control, which is easy to use, although you'll need to press fairly hard to change the speed of the treadmill. Unlike other treadmills on this list, you can't use the treadmill without the remote, so be sure to stow it away from anyone who might find it a fun toy. All in all, it's a brilliant, comfortable walking treadmill that should suit most users. Number 9. Go Plus 1 HP Walking Treadmill. It is the second best of under desk treadmills. The Go Plus 1 HP Walking Treadmill is great for anyone looking to push themselves a little harder when walking, as there are 12 built-in programs. These programs automatically change the speed of the treadmill as you walk over 30 minutes, pushing you to pick up the pace as you work. The Go Plus 1 HP walking treadmill also comes ready assembled, and located at the front of the treadmill is an easy-to-read LED touchscreen that displays time, speed, distance, and calories burned when using the tread. This LED touchscreen also allows you to operate the treadmill if you don't have the remote control to hand. The downside here is that both the treadmill and the belt are pretty noisy, making this one unsuitable for use in a shared working environment. We found during testing that the belt was one of the loudest, and that the treadmill emitted a loud beep every time it turned on, or changed speed. If you're working alone, this might not bother you too much, but if you're planning on walking in an apartment block, or while other people are sleeping, you might want to look at some of the other options on this list. Number 8. Walking Pad P1. It is the best all of under desk treadmills. The Walking Pad P1 is $200 cheaper than the Walking Pad A1 Pro, but is similar in design. The main difference between the two is that the Walking Pad P1 doesn't have a screen to show you your pace, distance, and time on the treadmill itself. The motor of the Walking Pad P1 is also a bit less powerful and a bit louder. But the price difference is enough to make it worth considering. Like the Walking Pad A1 Pro, the Walking Pad P1 can be folded in half and stowed under a couch when you're not using it. Like a lot of sizable electronics, the Walking Pad P1 comes with a fairly short power cord, so you'll want to find a spot for it that's close to an electrical outlet. There are 3 major differences between the Walking Pad P1 and the A1 Pro. First, the less expensive P1 doesn't come with a display. To make up for this, the remote is larger and comes with a small screen. Third, the motor is 1 HP compared to 1.25 HP, and while it's a bit louder than the A1 Pro, we didn't notice a difference in performance when testing. Similar to the Walking Pad A1 Pro, the app is a little glitchy, but a lot of the irritations we had during the majority of our testing seem to have been fixed with a recent update. Overall, this is a great option for most, but if you're keen on seeing your stats as you walk, it won't be for you. Number 7. Energize Treadmill Desk Workstation. It is also the best all of Under Desk Treadmills. This excellent treadmill desk, available in the USA only, combines the same ThermoTread GT treadmill featured in the Lander treadmill desk with the Energize desk, said to be the world's most configurable standing desk. This American-made desk comes with an exclusive, ergonomically contoured, 3D laminated tabletop. It also boasts an above-average height range, lift capacity, and transit speed, and includes a USB port for you to update the treadmill's software. The base has been robot-engineered to the highest precision tolerances, and there's a 15-year warranty on all base components. Number 6. Lifespan Workplace Treadmill Desk TR1200 DT7. This is the best of other Under Desk treadmills. The Lifespan Treadmill Desk TR1200 DT7 is available from the maker's websites in both the US and Europe, and we believe it's one of the best treadmill desks around. It teams an electronically height-adjustable desk, with a black base and black, white or gray desktop, together with a near-silent treadmill. The integrated console allows you to preset your speed, which can be anywhere between 0.6 and 6 km/h. The treadmill has a small footprint and you can place a Bosu ball or a chair on it, to swap between standing and seated work. The desktop is available in 4 different sizes so you can customize your purchase to suit your working needs. There's a patented internal cabling system, IntelliGuard, which ensures the treadmill only runs when you are using it, and there's an emergency stop to further ensure your safety. The frame comes with a lifetime guarantee, with 2- and 3-year guarantees on the parts and motor respectively. Number 5. Rhythm Fun Folding Treadmill. If you plan on using your treadmill for fitness as much as you do for work, consider this 2-in-1 pick. It's similar to the Ridliro option in how it alternates modes based on the placement of the handlebar. However, it features a more resilient shock reduction system for heavier use, and its lightweight profile and minimal noise creation make it a better choice for running in spaces like apartments. It also includes a Bluetooth speaker that makes it easy and fun to listen to your favorite playlist while running or walking. It's maneuvered via remote control and features a smart workout app pairing to help you keep all of your wellness statistics organized. It also arrives fully assembled. Number 4. EgoFit Walker Pro. Want to get some serious exercise while working at your desk? The EgoFit Walker Pro has a 5-degree incline, so it's certainly going to get your blood pumping. That's probably going to be beyond the abilities of most people, but if you're the sporty type you may relish the challenge. Unless you're 6 feet or over, because the device is not suitable for people this tall. Otherwise, this device has plenty to offer. You can operate it via app or remote control. It has 2 front wheels to help you move it around. Sound levels don't go beyond 70 dB, so you could even use it during conference calls. And overall, it's well made from alloy steel, with an auto lubrication system to keep everything running smoothly. It's a little on the pricey side, but there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. Number 3. SuperFit 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Here's another great running treadmill that also folds down to become an under-desk treadmill for walking, and it's a fair bit cheaper than rivals like the Movobi. It lets you walk at your desk at a maximum speed of 4 km/h, and when the handrail is raised, you can run at up to 12 km/h. The motor is nice and quiet, allowing you to use it in a crowded office without disturbing people too much. Its steel frame and multi-layer shield design is sturdy and shock-absorbing, and the 5-layer, non-slip belt keeps you safe from stumbling. Bluetooth speakers let you play your music from your phone, and 2 wheels at the front make it easy to move around. The LED display monitors your progress and stats in real time. There's a safety key to shut down the treadmill in an emergency, and it also comes with a remote control, and an LED display showing time, speed, distance, and calories. On the downside, it doesn't fold down quite as well as the Movobi, it's a little fiddlier to use, and the power cord is quite short. But despite these niggles, it does represent excellent value. It's available in several colors. Number 2. Mobvoi Home Treadmill. You're most likely to know Mobvoi as a smartwatch brand, But this Chinese company produces a pretty fine treadmill too. And it not only works as an under-desk walking treadmill, it also transforms into a fully fledged running treadmill too. Fold it down and it's perfect for walking. With a height of just 4.4 inches, it's very easy to fit under your standing desk, or wherever you'd like to use it, and it's easy to store as well. You can walk it up to speeds of 4 km/h. Alternatively, if you're feeling more energetic, you can flip up the riser bar and transform it into a full running treadmill, which is capable of speeds up 12 km/h. The treadmill is available on Amazon in the UK, while in the US, it can be bought from the Mobvoi website. Number 1. City Sports Treadmill. If you want to walk while you work, the City Sports Treadmill is our top recommendation. It's nice and thin for sliding under your standing desk, and allows you to walk at up to 6 km/h. And it boasts a wide range of features too. You can track your calories, time and distance on the LCD screen to help you stick to your fitness goals. There's a remote control for adjusting the speed as you walk. There are 2 moving wheels at the front that make it easy to move it from place to place. And built-in speakers means you can pump out your favorite music via Bluetooth for added inspiration. The treadmill comes pre-lubricated and prompts you when you need to add extra oil. All this plus impressively quiet operation makes this, for our money, the best under-desk treadmill you can buy today.